Looking for the finest investing apps to help you reclaim control of your finances? Routine financial duties, money shift into investing accounts, and spending tracking are all possible with a good finance software. However, the top investment apps can help you trade stocks rapidly, track your account in real time, and learn about the markets, among other things. Investment apps have grown in popularity as a result of their versatility. Here are the best investing apps in the United States. Number 10. Ellevest. Ellevest is not just one of the best robo-advisors, but it's also the best socially responsible investing app. Ellevest's objective is to assist female investors in making informed investment decisions, though, of course, anyone can become a client. It accomplishes this by developing financial portfolios and programs that accommodate for women's unique circumstances, such as lower lifetime earnings. Ellevest's Impact Portfolio allows clients to invest up to 53% of their portfolio in environmental, social, and governance (ESG) or social impact funds. These funds promote businesses that employ more women, provide affordable housing and community services, and adhere to higher sustainability standards. The Impact Portfolio is only slightly more expensive than Ellevest's low-cost core portfolio, costing an average of $13 to $19 a year for every $10,000 invested. You want a socially responsible portfolio that can provide you with good results while also being simple to invest in. Number 9. Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is a terrific app for specialists, but because of all the tools it offers, it's also a great app for novices. Schwab offers a wealth of information and education to help new investors learn about issues like investing and personal finance. It also offers fractional shares, allowing you to put all of your money into your stocks rather than having money sitting about in your investing account. You'll also be able to trade stocks and ETFs without paying a commission. Schwab is also ideal for mutual fund investors, as it has one of the greatest selections in the market, with over 4,000 no-transaction fee products. You'll also get timely responses to your questions from our customer care team. As if that weren't enough, you'll also benefit from one of the best sign-on bonuses available, with a cash bonus starting at just $25,000 on your first deposit. Number 8. Robinhood. If you want a smooth UI and no trading commissions, whether you're trading stocks, ETFs, options, or cryptocurrencies, Robinhood is the app to have. You'll be able to do it all without paying a commission, and you'll be able to do it all with ease thanks to a snappy mobile interface. The pared-down program is easy to use, and after a period, you'll be able to go from screen to screen effortlessly as you trade the market. From a search bar at the top of the screen, you can go to a stocks page and pull up charts and vital statistics. A feed that collects stories from news and investment sites is also beneficial for keeping up with what's going on. Number 7. Fidelity Investments. You could easily live your entire financial life with Fidelity Investments and enjoy the best integrated experience possible. To cover the key ones, Fidelity offers an investing account, a checking account, an IRA, a business retirement plan like a SEP IRA, bill payment, a savings account, a robo-advisor account, and even credit card accounts. With one company on one dashboard, you can get all of your money in order and never feel like you're missing anything. You'll find comprehensive information on ETFs and mutual funds, as well as a wealth of articles on budgeting, investing, and personal finance, as well as webinars. Plus, if you ever need assistance, you'll be connected with a friendly and helpful Fidelity representative in no time. Number 6. Stockpile. Stockpile is a useful tool that allows you to purchase fractional shares of corporations. So, if you don't have $300 to spend on that one costly tech stock, you can buy half or a third of it. There are no trading fees with Stockpile. Another cool feature of Stockpile is that you can offer a gift card that can be used to buy stock, so it could be a fun way to introduce a younger relative to investing. To send a gift, you don't even need an account. Stockpile allows kids to keep track of their money at any time, and you can create a list of stocks that they can trade. The software allows children to share a stock wish list with family and friends. Number 5. Wealthfront. Wealthfront is one of the largest independent robo-advisors, and it may manage your money in a taxable account or an IRA for a nominal charge. Wealthfront builds your portfolio using hundreds of ETFs and considers how much risk you want to accept as well as when you'll need the money. Wealthfront will add money to your portfolio when you deposit it, keeping your account balanced and on track toward your objective. Wealthfront charges a 0.25% yearly management fee, which is industry standard. According to the firm, it's a very reasonable price considering the capabilities available, including tax loss harvesting, which virtually covers the annual charge for many clients. Wealthfront also offers a competitive cash management account, even if you don't sign up for the investing account, as well as early access to direct deposits and a debit card, all for no monthly cost. All you have to do is deposit funds into the account, and Wealthfront will manage your portfolio to assist you in achieving your goal. Also cool is the cash management account. When you start a Wealthfront investment account as a Bankrate user, you'll get $5,000 managed for free. Number 4. WealthBase. WealthBase is a newcomer to the stock market game scene, but it may be the most user-friendly investing app available for having fun and buying stocks. You may schedule games with pals for as long as you want them to last, a few weeks, days, or even until the end of the day. WealthBase stands out in the stock simulator industry for 2 reasons. First, it combines social networking with stock choosing. You'll see a feed of stocks your friends are picking, as well as daily updates on who's winning, and the opportunity to engage in some friendly trash talk. Second, the app runs without problems or delays in loading. You'll have a good time here even if you're not a big stock picker. You can even exchange cryptocurrency in the simulation. Number 3. Acorns. Because of how simple it is to use, Acorns is one of the most popular of the new generation of savings applications. Once you've put it up, you won't have to pay much attention to it. When you connect a debit or credit card to your account, Acorns will round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference in one of many ETF portfolios. Acorns Personal costs $3 per month and includes an investing account, an individual retirement account, IRA, a metal debit card, and other benefits. You can choose from 3 types of IRAs, regular, Roth, or SEP, and you can roll over an existing 401k or IRA. Acorns builds your portfolio based on the time you want to be retired, measured as age 59-12, getting more conservative as you approach closer to that age, which may or may not be acceptable for all investors. This tier also includes an FDIC-insured checking account with no monthly fees, fee-free access to thousands of ATMs, and early direct deposit access. For an additional $5 a month, you can upgrade to Acorns Family, which includes all of the benefits of the first tier as well as child investing accounts. You enjoy getting automated investments when you're out shopping and not having to think about it. You prefer to invest in retirement without the trouble. Number 2. Inster. When you combine learning, real-life investment, and community into an app, you get Inster, which is aimed to help new investors get into stocks, especially if they enjoy games. The app mixes a fantasy stock game in which you help manage a virtual portfolio with access to investor opinions on stocks and other investments. The fantasy game gives you $1 million in virtual cash, and you can get inspiration from the app's social network and news stream. The month's top achievers are also eligible for a monetary prize. You may even buy fractional and full shares commission-free via the app if you wish to turn some of your fantasy picks into real-life stakes. When new users open and fund an account with $100, the app will also give them $30 in Bitcoin. Inster has recently begun to offer commission-free cryptocurrency trading. Number 1. Betterment. Betterment is one of the most popular and well-known robo-advisors, and for good reason. The software creates professionally managed portfolios utilizing a variety of ETFs that are tailored to your risk tolerance and cash flow needs. Betterment can build socially responsible portfolios that focus on issues such as climate change and social impact. If you're ready to take on a little more risk, the app can help you identify investments with a bigger potential return. Betterment can also help you create a more secure portfolio. Then add a powerful and free cash management account to the mix. Set up Betterment and then relax while the professionals do the rest. Betterment is substantially less expensive than hiring a typical financial counselor. The standard accounts management cost is 0.25%, which is a competitive rate in the robo-advisor sector, or $25 every $10,000 invested yearly. However, as with any robo-advisor, you'll have to pay extra for the ETFs that Betterment invests in. There is no account minimum using the app, and you can select investment goals such as a safety net or retirement. This was all about today's video. Now in the next video we will discuss how to find winning stocks. Stay tuned. Don't forget to check the links in the description below.